What's up? Good morning. Yep, so we set up tent right here last night, folks. It's really foggy right now. We are in right outside of Seattle, Washington. I'm trying not to talk as loud because there's people still sleeping around here. As you can see, there's their tent. What's up? Got you in 4K again. There's these guys' tent. And it's like not even 7 o'clock in the morning yet. So we're going on a walk. I'll show you guys this view up here soon. Give me a second. We're gonna talk and go up there. He's going crazy. He loves this area, the outdoors. I like it too here. Come on, let's go. Let's go, come on. It is cold out here, I'll tell you that. Yeah. Inside the tent there was condensation, so that's why he got wet like this. But check this out here. Come on. Yep. You gotta mark your territory everywhere you go, huh? This way. Come on. But yeah, we came here last night, camped out there where I showed you guys, and we're about to leave Seattle, go up to Spokane, Washington. I might spend the night there. We might spend the night there tonight, and then head our way down to Yellowstone National Park. But yeah, folks, check this bridge out. This is awesome out here. I saw this last night. I was like, holy cow, this is a great view. Look at this. Come on, let's go. Buddy, come on. Can't be stopping right here. Come on. It's a wooden bridge. Pimpin', come on. Look at this lake thingy. You can't see much very well because of the fog and the haziness. It is beautiful out here, folks. There's the trees and stuff. Yeah, pretty nice area. I wish we had a house here. Pimpin' would love this every morning. But alright, folks, next stop will be Spokane. I'll get some footage there for you guys, and then we will see you in Montana. Hit the subscribe button. Say bye. Hey, Pimpin', peace out. Peace out, folks. Be well.